Okay, so I wanted to share a couple of things on this last day of January, January 31st, 2024. And this is for the urban gardening. Welcome to Household of Faith. Okay, so as you can see here, these are coffee grounds. This is coffee from today. I put 4 scoops of coffee. I drink like 3 cups a day. This is from yesterday. I will generally put them in a pan or something to let them dry, and then I will bake them. These are sliced banana peelings. Usually have a banana and orange juice for breakfast every day. So this is 3 bananas from the last 3 days. I don't bake this stuff every day. I don't have time for it because they're in the oven for about an hour. So I'm going to finish slicing the bananas up, bake them in the oven. I have the oven on about 350. And you want the banana chips, to be like the peelings, to be like chips. You want them to be hard, not rubbery, because then you just want to grate them up. And I'll show you that process later.